kick off with a bang. Kasi, sino dito ang mga taga Cebu or mga Bisaya? Ang dami! Okay, well, meron kayong, isa pang Bisaya na sasama dito on stage because, guys, prepare to be captivated by the exceptional talent of a true vocal powerhouse hailing from Cebu City. She first captured our hearts as a grand finalist in the inaugural season of Tawag ng Tanghalan, and her journey didn't stop there because in 2023, she was known as the Pop Pristine and the singing voice actress of Cebu and has graced the stage of Asap Natin To as one of the new Gen Divas, sharing the spotlight with fellow champions as well. With a voice that seamlessly blends power and emotion and a presence that commands the stage, she continues to inspire and entertain audiences nationwide. Guys, please welcome the remarkable Tawag ng Tanghalan Duets Grand Champion, Mariel Montellado!
Crazy now. Maybe I drink too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should've made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause my love, I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. I sing with me. Love you. Please say love me too. These sweet words, they can change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till we end our time. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. That just goes to show that we are live tonight. Opo? Can I, hello po, magandang gabi. Ay, salamat. Daghan na Bisaya day diri. Hello po, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Salamat kayo, ma'am. Now, I'm really honored to be here tonight. Thank you so much, your Passport to the World, for inviting me to perform for everyone sa atong mga kababayan diri. Pwede bang makarinig ng palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawa? Ngayon po ang aking susunod na kanta. Actually, kung kaya pa natin balikan nga yung una, no, pwede sana. Pero, pwede po ba yun? Ulitin natin. Okay po ba ulitin ko yung first song ko? Dahil meron tayong mga technical difficulties. Hello, ma'am. You're from where po? Davao. Oh. Kapag si ma'am nandito. Jensan. Ako ma'am taga Cebu po. Hello po. Sabay niyo po ako. Let's sing. I must be crazy now. Baby, I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. I wish I could go back What's up, ma'am? Pwede niyo bang mausap, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am! Maraming salamat po. And this next song, gaya po nagpagka-introduce sa akin ng ating mga hosts. Ako po'y galing sa tao ng tanghalan and nais ko pong i-share itong napakagandang kantang to. Alam po, first time ko po makapunta sa Saudi. And dati ko sa Jeddah. At dati pangarap ko lang po ito. And gusto ko po i-share itong kantang to na kinanta ko sa tawag ng tanghalan. Sana po masabay niyo ako kahit sa choruses, no? Okay po ba yun? Alam po, alam niyo po itong kantang to. That's it. Play music, please. Here we go. Hindi mahal sa lupa ang asa. Nakikiusap na lang. Kayo naman! Humingi ako sa langit lang, isang himala. Humingi ako sa langit lang, isang himala. Okay. Do you want more? Pwede ba kayo kumanta? And are you ready to party? Ako. Okay. Bago po ang lahat, nais ko po ulit magpasalamat sa Your Passport to the World. Maraming salamat po for having me as one of your artists. And syempre sa General Entertainment Authorities, ang GEA, and to His Excellency, Turkey Al-Sheikh. And thank you to the Quality of Life program. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta tonight. Are you ready to party? Here we go! Ready na kayo? Find a pair. You can dance with your Aussie mates. If you change your mind, I'm the first in line. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. If you need me, let me know. It'll be alright. If you got no place to go, if you're feeling down, here we go. Friday night and the lights are low. giving it to me. Alright, I am down to my last medley, pero huwag na natin itong patagalin pa. Pwede po bang ano? Ma'am, yes ma'am. Ma'am? Wag ako kailangan ng work sa inyo. Isa ko nga. Masaya kaya ko. Ay, salamat kayo. Naganda kayong singot na. Masaya ka kanta? Sir, panimulaan sa ikaw. Duhang adlaw. Will you be here? On May 3? Bye! Tagarin na tapos na kita. Anyway, here we go! Please play the music. There's no today, I stand by. Every night, you never end without you by my side. Then I spend so many nights thinking how you can grow, and I'll be strong, and I'll have you love. The last days, I just want you to find you. Let's have a fun place. I should've made that to the rock. I should've made that good beat. I had known for just 1 second you'd be back to body. Lord, I know, hey, what I know. Just turn around now. Lord, I want you to know what you want. What you like, what you find.
give it up for the exceptional JM De La Serna!
Ang nangyayari sa'yo, basta alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong titipin, ganun kung papatulan mo lang nila. You want to sing with me? Let's go! Ha! Ha! Sino ba sila? No si wala si. Sino ba sila? Alam niyo, talagang ganyan. Mga walang patulan, wala kang magawa, kaya sila'y napakaganyan. Sino ba sila? No si wala si. Sino ba sila? Sino? Sino ba sila? Thank you so much. Oh, grabe. Thank you, everyone. Alright, una po. Yeah, come on. Gusto mo pakilala kay JM De La Serna? Ayan, of course, from Tawag ng Tanghalan. Ayan po, palakpakan naman natin kanina nag-perform po ang partner na si Mariel Monteliano. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan po, nag-champion po kami noong 2023, no? Tawag ng Tanghalan Duets. Kayo po ba yung nanood nun? Tawag ng Tanghalan Duets. Ay, salamat. Thank you so much, guys. May energy mo ba ang lahat? Yeah! Ha? I love you too. Thank you so much for being here. Kumain na po ba kayo?
Hindi pa!
Hindi ba? Oh, parehas lang tayo. Ano? Busog na! Grabe naman yun. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. But anyway, of course, gusto ko lang po pasalamatan pala, no? Thank you so much. Passport to the World for having us here. Thank you so much. And of course, ayan, huwag natin patagalin ito for my next song, no? Gusto kong kumanta ng, para ito sa mga, para ito sa mga in love. Yung may mga kahawak yung kamay dyan, pero hindi naman sila. Ay, meron ba? Ha? Manakit? Ay, nako, delikado tayo dyan. Thank you so much. Ano? Ako lang? Thank you so much, miss. Alright, so, sige. Huwag natin patagal dito. Para ito sa lahat ng mga in love. And of course, para sa lahat ng mga loyal. Ayan. I want you to see your heart out, no? Para ito sa mga... Dito. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta po? Gusto ko mag-shake hands. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you. Naku, napaka Ay, Bisaya! Kasi Bisaya! Ayun, no? Ay, grabe, nagana Bisaya. Of course, I'm from Davao. Ayan, sa tayo, Bisaya diya, no? Kababayan nato, saludo kami sa inyo, mga naado rin, no? Thank you so much, guys. Of course, deserve din yun eh. Deserve nato ning tanan, no? Na mag-party o magpaway po. Ha? Thank you. Okay, so, huwag na patagalin ito. Please play the music. Para sa lahat. Sabayan niyo po ako, ha? Dapat sabayan niyo ako sa kantang to, okay? Ako, pag pinakanta ko kayo, kanta kayo, ha? Okay. I think I'm falling down. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a thread that keeps on running? It ties us back together in the end. Try to sing this part. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflection. In your eyes, sabi mga singer, I found the answers to my questions. In yours, I can see the reasons why I lost our life. In your eyes, we're drifting safely off the shore. And I think I finally lose to love you more. Are you ready for the next song? If I had to live my life without you leaving, the days would all be empty. The night would seem so long. If you see forever or something, I might have been in love before. There are friends and strong, the dreams are young and we both know they take us where we want to go. Hold me now, ready? Me now. I don't want to live without you. Go this part, let's go. How much I love you, one thing you can't be sure of. I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You both know by now how much I love you. You only changed my whole life. Proven nothing's gonna change my love for. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You both know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of. I'll never ask for more than your love. Wala bang kakabay dyan? Thank you so much. Hello po, sana nasa likod. Sino ba? People at the back, ha? One side of love for the season. I got to get up, but I'm here for good. One day you and I went from home. Girl, you understand if your heart was mine. What's it, baby? If we hadn't changed your mind. Let's go. Then you know why I'm there. Gusto makita ng mga ilaw dyan. Let's go. Flashlight. when the memory starts. If we had an exchange, or time turns the table, it's soon I'll be your hands, and then you remember my love for them tender, too late for the second chance. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're about to be strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Sing with me. Wow, let's go. Can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? 'Cause fire will never last for very long. What are we doing wrong? Once again. Thank you so much. To make the magic last for more than just one night, I think we could break through it. If we could trust me to it just once, I want to understand. 'Cause it always comes back to the night. Why can't we give ourselves again and not need to one another? It's very good without each other. Take the past and make it better. Find all the other side together. Just find a way to find more. To make the magic last for more than just one night. I knew we could break through it if we could just get to it. Oh, we can get to it. Just one. Wow, thank you so much guys. Nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Yeah! Parang ang daming in love tonight. Ay, salamat po. Thank you so much. Ha? Magandang dilag, nako. Parang di tayo naka-prepare nun. Pero siyempre, may mga prepare pa akong ibang mga songs para sa inyo. Ano po? Ako ba? Hindi ako yun. Parang una kanta para sa inyo, sir. Thank you so much. Sa likod po, okay pa po ba kayo? Hello po. Kamusta naman dyan? Ako, kung pwede na sanang bumaba, no? But wala kasing hagdan. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. But ayun, once again, thank you so much. Passport to the World for having us here. Ayan, thank you. Nag-enjoy pa po ba kayo? Of course, marami po pa tayong mga artists, no? Na susunod pa mag-perform. And sana ay may energy pa tayo para mag-party-party mamaya. Alright! Ha? Yes! Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Ano po yun? I love you too. Thank you. Hello po. Ayun, may nag-hi si Ma'am, tapos bigla siyang gumana. Pwede. Hello, sa naka-block. Thank you, God bless you. Ayan. Ayun! Tayo pa naka-block.
Kaya, 2 days yung sickness ko. Baka may makita sa akin, te. Hello.
Hi po sa live ni ate. Halika po kayo dito.
Okay, so this time, may dalawa pa tayong songs na kakantay para sa inyo. Ito, ang next song ko, no? Ay para
Baka
sa
may
mga ano.
mag-PM na lang sa akin bigla.
Medyo pangmalakasang song ito. Okay lang po ba sa inyo yun? Pangmalakasang song. O since galing tayo ng tawag ng tahanan, kakagalawa pangmalakasang song para sa inyo po. And para to sa mga siguro titas and titos. Ay, kaya ba? Ha? Kahapon! Ano siya kahapon eh. Pero anyway, makikinga na ng tubig kasi parang nakakaano pala dito. But anyway, thank you so much po once again. Passport to the World. Ayan, thank you General Entertainment Authorities. And thank you to His Excellency, Turkey Al Sheikh. Ayan, and thank you Quality of Life Program. And of course, thank you so much po for having me here, for having us here. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay, sir, please play the music. If you know the song, please sing with me. I have nothing. I have no one. Adore you and my sister. I'm just someone with nothing to give you at all. I love you. Even your diamonds, brown eyes, sparkling like diamonds. But believe me when I say that you can give your world, love can never love away. Who loves you? And the place you walks to pass the corner restaurants. But I can only watch you with my nose, press of the hands, knowing no adore you. Oh, tonight, look to the arms of someone else who doesn't say, who loves you. I love you. I love you. Kapag taong nakahalan tayo dito Thank you so much, Art. May energy pa ba ang lahat for my last song? Next song, magalang ko doon, play the music! Hey! Gusto ko makikanta kayo sa song ito kasi ito, may palabas itong theme song Liwanag sa dilim. I want you to on your flashlight, guys. Let's go para sa hindi malungat yan. Liwanag! Hey, come on, back it up. Sa bawat nilalang mag-iisip, malubog ko lang sa dilim. magsasabi sa maraming sa gitna ng ngayon. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumitig at magsilbing liwanag. Hanapin mo, magiti ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. This one. At sa paghabol mo sa ayos ng ating kasaysayan, uuhit ka ng bagong daan. Ito ang magsasabi sa maraming sa gitna ng mundo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumitig at magsilbing. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Hanapin mo sa iyong ngiti ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang so much. Once again, thank you so much, Passport to the World, and for having me here. Thank you guys for your presence, for your energy. Come on. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumitig at magsilbing. Ngiti ang bagong awitin. Liwanag sa dilim, hanapin mo, magiti ang bagong awitin. Liwanag sa dilim. Come on, let's go. Say, hey. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Babalik po ako. Thank you guys.
Wala bang palakpakan, may kasamang siya. Wow, dami na natin ngayon. Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Maria Magdalena at makakasama po ninyo ulit si Jay Amidalasena mamaya. But I prepared a series of songs. Are you ready to hear them? But before that, nais ko pong magpasalamat ulit sa Passport to the World, Group Passport to the World, sa lahat po ng bumubuo. And thank you to the General Entertainment Authorities, or GEA, and to His Excellency, Turki Al-Sheikh.
Billy Crawford, eh, no?
And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Entertainer talaga eh.
Now, I'm here with the Reed Revolution, who'll be singing a few songs for everyone. Sana po masamahan niyo po kami. This is my first song from the chorus. Alam ko.
Ikaw mo lang umalis.
Alam niyo po ng kantang ito. Are you ready, mga sir? Yeah? Alright, here we go. Can I ask little participation from you guys out there? Can you relax lang and you can sing with me? Later, sige po. Pero bago po yan, maraming salamat po ulit Your Passport to the World for including me po sa inyong mga performers. We will be back here on May 3 naman. So sana po magkita-kita po ulit tayo. Nandito po ba kayo sa May 3? Ayan, thank you very much. Are you ready? Here we go! Malakas! Napagod po ba kayo? Hindi naman. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Yun na naman po ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng bagay para sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. And once again, maraming salamat po. Your passport to the world, to GEA, General Entertainment Authorities, to His Excellency, Turkey Al-Sheikh, to the Quality of Life Program, and sa ating pong banda. Palakpakan naman po natin, Read Revolution. Itugtog pa po sila ng maraming pangkaba for us tonight. So sabayin niyo po kami. Okay po ba yun? Alright, this next song is really special to me. Lagi ko siyang nakakanta sa Pilipinas and I'd like to share it with everyone. Pwede bang umupo muna? Okay lang po ba? Serenade po na ako sa inyo? Okay po? Sige, let's sing. Some people wait for the fortune. Some people wait just for the fame. Some people wait for the power. Yeah. Some people wait just to play the game. Some people think that there's a conflict. What's within? I've been ready for that light so hopeful of a superficial sense. Some people want it all, but I want it all. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want search for a fountain. Promises forever young. Some people need freedom of their own size, but that's the only way through love. On a silver platter, red and white, who would it be? With no one to see, with no one who's who cares for me. Some people that I touch, but not enough. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want to race, sometimes when everything means nothing. If I ain't got you, you so nothing in this world don't mean a thing if I ain't got you with me, Salamat po. Maraming po. Hello, sir. Thank you so much. Ma'am, sir? Ano po yun? Do you want more? You want more? Can anyone do a sample for me? Or sing with me here on stage? Pwede po ba yun? Backstage? Alright. Sino po ba dito nanonood ng tawag ng tanghalan? Or it's showtime! And maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyo pong suporta. At sana patuloy po kayo manood na kahit na may mga trabaho po kayo. Asa? Sir? Sa Cebu? Sibong? Nasa Pilipinas pa si Kuya Bong. Pero, palakpakan din naman po natin Kuya Billy. Kanina grabe yung energy ni Kuya Billy. Thank you very much po. At you may follow me. Hayaan niyo na lang po din akong mag-promote po na aking mga social media accounts. You may follow me on all my social media accounts. That's just Marian Magdaliano. And if you have photos and videos of me and with me, pwedeng-pwede niyo rin po akong itag. Ayan. Again, maraming salamat po sa Your Passport to the World. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo from the entire team na sumundo sa amin sa airport hanggang sa ngayon po nagpe-perform po kami. And also thank you to the General Entertainment Authorities or GEA, to His Excellency Turki Al-Sheikh, and to the Quality of Life Program. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana po makita-kita po tayo sa May 3. Kakanta pa rin po kami. Sana magkaroon kami ng spot ni JM. Sisikapin po natin yan. And maraming salamat din po sa Read Revolution. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Ang communication namin ay mula sa Pilipinas hanggang dito. Tapos kagabi lang kami nag-rehearse. They're very professional. Maraming salamat po, mga sir. Alright, I'm down to my last song for tonight. And okay lang po ba if kantahan ko pa po kayo ng isa pang kanta? Something naman from Journey. Yes, sir? And kung okay lang po, mag-request din po sa inyo. Pwede po ba akong manghingi ng ilaw po sa inyo? Sa baba? Or like, your flashlights, turn it on, and then we'll jump to the song. Pwede Pwede po ba yun? Oh, what a view. Again, this is my first time. This is my first international singing gig. And I'm really, really grateful to be sharing my borrowed talent to all of you. So, if you feel like singing and jumping and shouting for what you believe in, this song is for you. Let's sing. Everybody now, put your hands together like this. Hey. That's right. Here we go. Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born raised to sound Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Are you ready? Sitting in smoky room, the smell of wine, cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers, waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living mystified emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my view. Everybody wants a thrill, everything to roll the dice, just one more time. Someone win, someone lose, and some about to see lose. All the money never ends, and it goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, that's right. Up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living mystified emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Thank you, everybody.
Sila lang, pre. Sila na lang.
I'm thinking late while this comes to. If you let me try, I got you. If you let me try, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never be so true. Everything my treasure. Oh, 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 treasure. That is what you are. Honey, you're my goddess. Honey, you can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure, oh, oh, oh. Thank you so much. Once again, good evening everyone. Sa lahat ng mga kapatid ko lang, good evening sa inyo. Hello, hello. Sino po ba nag-vlog? Sino po vlog dito? Ay, hello, shoutout. Ano pong name ng Fad? Fad. Fad. Fad vlog. Hello po. Ayan, sana ay makanood kayo sa Fad sa kanyang page. Ayan po ang Fad vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you, Reed Revolution. Maraming salamat po. Napakagaling na banda, everyone. Oy! I love you. I love you too. I love you too. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you so much, Kuya. Thank you guys. Alright, so you guys enjoying? Yes, there's enough energy. Alright. Eh, once again, kung gusto niyo po ako siyempre po-promote ko na aking mga social medias, no? Sa lahat po ng mga gusto mong i-follow po ako, you can follow me at IG, Facebook, or anything that you want. Just JM Lacerna. Yan po. Mapapanood din po kami pala sa ASAP, sa Showtime. And of course, So You and the host din po kami doon, Vic Mariel Monteriano. So if you guys have time to visit the page of Tawag ng Mahalan or Showtime, and po makakanood po kayo doon. So yeah, let's continue the party, everyone. My next song is but before that, I'd like to thank, of course, Passport to the World. Maraming salamat. Bakbakan naman po natin, Passport to the World. Thank you so much for having us here. No? Sa karangalan po na maging parte ng napaka-espesyal na event po na ito. And of course, thank you so much, General Entertainment Authorities. Maraming salamat. Jaya, thank you. And of course, thank you to His Excellency, ayan, Turkey Al-Sheikh. Thank you so much. And thank you, Quality of Life Program. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, so, ready na po ba kayo sa aking next song?
Siya naman stage, you know?
Meron ka ba?
Siya
Para
studio.
sa lahat po ng mga, ito naman, para sa lahat ng mga sobrang in love tsaka loyal. For those who... Loyal! Who's loyal here? Ayun, no? This song is for all of my kababayans out there. Loyal, You promised. Loyal! So, I'd like to sing this one. Ito napaka-classic ng song na to. Grabe. Oh, forever na magmamahal na kailanman ay hindi kayang mag-iwan. Sana all? The song is for all of you guys, all my fans out there. Let's sing. Nagtatanong ang isip, di
Malibutan nila.
kung ano nararamdaman, dapat mong malaman. Sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang.
Igugeno sa Showtime. Eh, boss mo muna siya sa Showtime.
Dapat bang isipin wala asahan mo? Sing with me, everyone. Kahit kailan di kita pababayaan, kahit
Hello sa 12 viewers. Thank you for watching. Dito kami nanonood. Hello, 13 viewers.
Umilig sa iyo na
Terkis naman kamayaw. Uy, kamayaw. Lagi, patusok sari kamayaw. Bawa.
dapat bang isipin para sa lahat ng mga loyal, kumanta kayo, let's go! Hindi kita mababayaan kahit kailan. Kung ikaw ay mawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin pa kaya umibig pa muli. Kahit na ano pa mangyayari, di maaaring ipapalit sa samahan kita hanggang sa huli.
Woo! Mabuhay ang Zeda!
Good ba? All good?
Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for sa mga viewers natin. Manood lang kayo. One more!
Hello sa inyo lahat dyan sa likod ko sa... Okay. O nga, madami ng loyal ngayon.
Thank you for watching. 20 viewers na tayo.
Ano? Ha? I love you. I love you.
Woo!
Thank you so much once again.
Marami
Passport
ng tao.
Award. Grabe, napakagaling na banda po. Di ba? Palakpakan natin na Ron. Grabe. Thank you so much, sir.
Ito sa likod.
Napakagaling. Okay. So, are you ready for my next song? Ano? Sige, dito nga. Kamusta po kayo dito? Team Pilipinas! Let's go! I just want to express my gratitude, guys. Sobrang saludo po kami sa inyo. No? Ay! Thank you so much. And of course, United Arabia. Allah Akbar. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys are still enjoying. Do you know some Tagalog songs? Pinoy songs? No. Okay, so I'm sad because some of my songs tonight is Sorry, what? It's a Filipino song. Buntis ka? Ang tanong mo, sino ang ama? May nangyari ba sa atin? The first. Diba? For sure lang, kung magkakaanak ka ba, napakaganda at napakapogi yan. Hey sir! Do you know some Tagalog language, words? What? Kamusta ka po? Let's go! Palakpakan natin everyone! Kamusta ka po? Diba? Nakaka-proud naman yun. Thank you so much. I just want to answer the question. It means, how are you? I'm good. And I think I'm good. I don't know if I'm good. Ha? Mo hindi ka harap English, no? Dugo. No, Bisaya na makasabot na, di ba? Basta yung pinakalalong na Bisaya words in the Balkan. Kumbate! Let's go! Okay, so, hindi ka na kumbate magpadayon, di ba? Padayon. So, ipadala na ako ng next song. This next song is it's a viral and it's a, what do you mean? Paano ba i-express itong napakagandang song na to, from J.K. Labajo. Nako, parang naging kanta ng Pilipinas, parang theme song na siya ng lahat ng mga, again, in love, no? So ito, syempre, hindi ko na ito papatagalin. Para po sa lahat ng mga, uy! Yun. Alam niyo itong song na to? Okay, let's sing everyone. It's another song. Alam niyo. Ako'y sa'yo. Ganda mo sa pagingin. Ako ngayon nag-isa. Sana ay tabihan na. I wanna hear your voice this song. Let's go, everyone! Sa ilalim ng sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan. Love you. sa dilaw na buwan. Tataas sa ilalim
Wow!
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. What? Nagustuhan niyo po ba yun? Thank you guys. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga kanta. Salamat sa lahat ng mga nai-kasayaw. And of course, once again, I'd like to thank Passport of the World. Maraming salamat po. General Entertainment Authorities, JL, thank you so much. Thank you to His Excellency Turkey at Sheikh. And of course, thank you Quality of Life Program. Maraming salamat po for having us here. And thank you sa pagkumpleto po sa mga pangarap namin. Kasi binigay niyo po sa amin kung ano yung tawag dyan, kung ano yung energy na dapat na matanggap namin tonight. Thank you so much to all your presence and energy, guys. Thank you sa lahat ng mga Pinoy na nananatiling tumataguyod para sa pamilya. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, sir. And of course, hug? Ako, pwede lang sa atin yung hug eh. Wala tayo. Baka mapagalitan tayo. Anong pangalan niyo po, ma'am? Dalia. I just wanted to know na sobrang ganda niyo po, Miss Dalia.
Yan o, makaboga.
Thank you so much. Hello. Kamusta na? Nag-enjoy naman po kayo? I love you too. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. I love you. Thank you so much. Okay. Are you ready for actually, this is my last song, guys. So, sana ay nag-enjoy po kayo. Are you guys ready? What? Naku po. Pas na yun. Kaya, maraming salamat po. Uy, may nahulog. Nahulog po yung lelawatan ni ma'am. So, dami nung anak kami. Thank you so much. Alright, so, huwag na po natin patagalin doon. So, this is my last song, guys. Kung alam niyo po itong song na to, makikanta at makisayaw kayo. Let's go! Sa lahat ng mga Pinoy, nakapag itong song na to. Last song? Copy out. Let's go.
Yung kamo!
Noong tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mo sa akin, mapabugi maraw sa akin, ngunit ang pag-ulit ay sayaw mo ng di mo nakakaiba, nakakaaliw, nakakatindi, lahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay dinerecho na sa iyo. Raise your hands, let's go! Sa palagitan ko ay tinutuluan mo. Rest is work! Let's go! Ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinulungan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. La 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 la, lumipas ang maraming na di na tayo nakita. Sana yung may balita ko'y may ngunit walang asawa. Kakahugas ka ng pinggan sa may ermita. Nasasaan sa maliit na eskinita. Lahat ng pangarap ko'y kailangan na tumunan. I love you too. Sa panaginip na lang palagi na maisasaya. Let's say, pagkahaway ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinulungan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. Wait na lang, sir, parang gusto ko na, parang nakukulangan ako sa ano eh, sa chorus eh. Okay naman na marinig ko yung mga boses dito sa part na to. Sige nga. Isang chorus lang. 1, 2, magka... Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Dito kaya, may mga boses kaya dito? Sige nga. 1, 2, 3, and magkahap. You're singing, sir. Ang puso ko. Wow. Ngayon lahat naman tayo. Let's go. Magkahawa. Na tinulungan mo ang puso ko na umibig. Yeah, let's go! Tunay magkahawa ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay tunay. Once again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo lahat. Once again, this is J.M. de la Serna. Have a great evening, everyone. Pagmahal ko kayo. Again, makahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalalaman.